This property is presented by Jessica Magaha with First City Property Group. Powered by Platinum Realty. Please call 913-748-6213 with any questions. To schedule a tour. Or for more information about getting your home on the market and sold. Attention investors, this 2-story home has so much potential. Large rooms, comfortable layout and huge 2-car detached garage built within the last 10 years. All that is missing are your renovations. Give this home a second life. Can be sold as a package with 710 Osage directly next door, MLS number 2,365,422.